It rises and it sets. She runs and she rests. And your Subaru goes until you tell it to stop. To help ensure you have the braking power you need, have your brakes checked regularly. Like other things in life, brake pads wear out over time. If you hear a squealing sound, or if your vehicle pulls to the side, shudders while braking, or your brake pedal feels spongy, it's time to drive in and see us. We'll check out your concern. Don't delay. Worn brake pads reduce your stopping power, making your vehicle unsafe to drive. If left unchecked, brake wear could damage your rotors, resulting in more costly rotor resurfacing or replacement. Our factory-certified technicians will be happy to inspect your brakes and renew your braking performance with parts engineered to your vehicle's exact specifications and calibrated for the brakes of your Subaru, so you can get back to life at full speed. We're here to help. Make it last.